G'day and welcome back to my channel. This video is sponsored by JLCPCB 3D printing services. A couple of months ago, I've designed a stylish mobile phone holder and made a prototype in my conventional FDM 3D printer. Apart from looking good on your desk, this gadget allows you to hold your mobile device in 3 different angles. This time around, I wanted to explore different 3D printing techniques. And with the help of JLCPCB 3D printing services, I've had the chance to evaluate their Stereolithography or SLA service. Their SLA 3D printing service allows you to make parts with small features, tight tolerances, and smooth surface finishes. SLA is widely used for creating intricate 3D models, master patterns for industrial molds, and detailed functional parts. My SLA printed mobile phone holder looks extremely well, with an exceptional surface finish and incredible detail definition. If you're interested in their 3D printing service, check out their website. And on the capabilities, you'll find what they can offer. Processors like SLA, MJF, SLM, FDM, and SLS are available. This time around, I tried their SLA service. If you want to know more about their SLA printing service, check out the video at the bottom of their page. SLA uses a UV laser to selectively cure a photopolymer resin and create a solid object layer by layer. The ordering process is very simple. Just click on the Get Instant Quote link, add your 3D files, and select the SLA option. Then specify the type of resin you want to print with. Then specify the type of surface finishing. And add any special remarks that you consider important. In my first order with JLC, I have added a couple of prints in SLA and several small components printed in SLM, that is, 3D printing in metal. These are parts for my LAD robotic hand version 3.0, which I wanted to print in a tougher material. I will review the SLM or metal 3D printing service later on. After placing the order and waiting for a couple of weeks, I finally got my parts. The SLA prints turn out to be of excellent quality. The parts look extremely well. The surface finish of the mobile phone holder is exceptional and the details and letters are well visible. I'm very happy with the overall experience dealing with JLC and be definitely considering their capabilities for future functional mechanical parts for my robotics projects. For more information on how to print high-quality stereolithography parts with JLC or where to find the STL files for this mobile phone holder, check out the links shown in the description of the video. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.